Hi, today we're looking at the Goalmu Tree finger pointing device, wireless Bluetooth mouse. Here are some instructions, simple 1, 2, 3 steps to connect it to your Android 5 or above smartphone. It also works with the iPhone. We'll show that in just a few moments. Here are some details on how to hook it up to your computer and what to look for. We're actually going to pair it with a new MacBook Air. Here's the actual device itself. The pointer piece right here is where you move the thumb, and it's easy. Press down button right here. You have the 4 other buttons right here, and then you have the on off button right here. So now we're going to put it into pairing mode. So now it's in pairing mode. We're going to go to the Bluetooth menu right here. We're going to connect it to the Goalmu mouse YAM option right there. Hit connect. Okay, and now it's connected. So here's the unit right here. And now, as you can see, I'm moving the mouse with just my thumb. And now we're going to go ahead and open up the web browser right now at the bottom. And there we go. There's a Goalmu Tree website, and I can actually scroll on this page with this button right there. And there are the different colors of this pointing device. It's simple to attach to the finger. It slides on and off like that. Then it slides right back on. And then I'm using my thumb to move the pointer. As you can see on the screen, it's moving around. And then I can get fine control adjustments right there. And then we'll go to one other part of this website to show you how that works. There we go. And then we'll go back to the top, all while using my thumb and scrolling on this right here. So now we have the iPhone Bluetooth menu. We're going to also show you that it comes with the micro USB charging cable and a travel bag right there. So here's the Bluetooth menu and the mouse. So I just tap on the YAM option right there. Okay, now it's connected. We're going to exit out of the Bluetooth menu. And then these 2 buttons right here is what you can use for scrolling on the iPhone. So as you can see, I'm pressing the up arrow, which is the down motion on the iOS device. So you can do that to scroll, which will work the same in Safari as well, but we're scrolling through the menus with these 2 buttons. And then if you have an iPad, you can set up under the adaptive settings on using this pointer right here. So this will work with an iPhone, iOS, iPad, iPadOS, and Android 5 or above, as well as Windows and macOS. And I showed you with macOS 12 scrolling through the Goalmu Tree website.